Hi, once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Meta Quest 3. This is the latest VR headset from Meta, and we finally got our hands on the 128GB version. So without further ado, let's get started. In the usual Meta style of presentation, the front of the box features the picture of the Quest 3 and its controllers, while the back of the box has its content and some other key features listed. Inside the box, we have the controller, the headset itself, a charging cable and a power adapter. We also have a few quick start guides and some other documentation. The Quest 3 adopts the pancake lens first seen on the Quest Pro. Aside from being slimmer, the display boasts of uniform edge-to-edge clarity and less lens glare. The optics include a wider 110-degree field of view for better immersion and 120Hz support right out of the box. This means that you can play games at higher frame rates for that ultra smooth motion without any stuttering. The Meta Quest 3 is a really nice looking headset. It's a bit smaller than the Quest 2 and it feels more comfortable to wear. The new straps are also more adjustable so you can get a perfect fit. The Quest 3 is equipped with a Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip that's up to 50% more powerful than the one on the Quest 2. There are two 4-megapixel RGB cameras and a depth sensor embedded in the front of the visor, enabling the full color pass-through feature passed down from the Pro version. The controllers are also new for the Quest 3. With the absence of the rings, they are the lightest VR controllers ever made. It's no longer top-heavy and they feel balanced in your hands. They are a bit more ergonomic than the Quest 2 controllers, and they have a few new features like haptic feedback in the trigger and thumbsticks. The controller is still powered by a single AA battery, giving you two less gadgets to charge. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Meta Quest 3. It's a significant upgrade over the Quest 2 with a more comfortable design, better controls, and more powerful hardware. So that's it for our unboxing of the Meta Quest 3. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Stick around for more videos.